Yo, TBK Wes back with another video. What it do, y'all? Yeah, man, we had a wild storm last night. Didn't do much, you know, tore a few branches down. Everybody's safe. The power didn't go out. We did buy us a generator just in case, you know what I'm saying? So, yeah, man, we prepared out here. But this video is about the crates in your kennels. For all my guys with the cages, they can get like shitty. They can get real shitty, man. Like, you know, you can clean it up every day, but it'll still like get messed up. So I'm gonna show y'all what I do to clean mines, man. Y'all stay tuned, man. Here we go. I'm about to let me hook my pressure washer up right quick. Be right back. Got a new scooper too, y'all. I like this one better than the other one, man. It works wonders. It's easy. It's a nice little thin lip in the front. You can scrape the shit up real quick. Bad boy up real quick, hold up. Alright, so let me take these outside real quick. Y'all come out here and I'll check these out. Y'all see how fucked up it is. Trees. I got a couple trees went down in the backyard. I don't think nothing went down in the front yard, so it's still good, man. Shit out the way. Get close up on the cages. Alright, y'all, as you can see, misty. Can y'all still see me? Almost done. One more right here. Just like that, bully fam. I'm back. Yes, sir. As you can see, spotless. Yes, sir. If your back is dirty, I suggest you do the back too. The back of these ain't that dirty. But yes, sir, that's how we do it, man. Let me give y'all some footage of the backyard. Let y'all see how the few branches fell down. Ain't too bad, man. And I'm about to clean up, so let me clean up, and then I'll give y'all some dog footage, all right? Stay tuned. Yes, sir. Nice and clean in here. Nice and frosty. Let me show y'all my new bed. I had bought these new beds about a week or two ago. It's another day at the kennel, y'all. Take y'all outside real quick. Yeah, man, as you can see, nice and filthy. Blew the floaties out the pool. We got sticks, stems, and no seeds in this one. See that? Huge branch. I'm gonna have to clean that up. Man, tropical storm. There's a lot of birds up there. They messed up the bird's house, man. We're still here, y'all. We laid the bikes down on purpose. Move the grill out the way. We're still here. Just gotta clean up a little bit. All right, Cardi. So we still here. Chill, bully fam. It's still raining. They say it's gonna rain all week. I'm still bless y'all with some footage though. You know what I mean? But chill, y'all. Let me get to cleaning this up. I'll be right back.